How to choose a good recipe. Right now, I'm on Canada's Food Guide recipe page and I'm getting hungry. I want to make some dinner, but I don't know what to make. So that's why I went to this recipe page to get some ideas. So what I can do is to find a good recipe is I can scroll down and down. Oh my gosh, there's so many recipes. Wow. Oh my goodness. Do I have to read them all? Oh, look at this. I'm scrolling down and then, oh my gosh, there's so many ideas. That's a lot of recipes. How do I choose the one that works best for me? Well, scrolling up and down, like I'm doing right now, certainly helps. You get to see a lot of different ones and maybe you can find one that way. Also, look at this. You can look at the bigger headings. Okay, so this heading says snacks. So all of the recipes under here are snacks. I don't want to make a snack though right now. I'm hungry for dinner. If I scroll up even more, I can see that there's another heading, actually. Lunch, dinner. Okay, yeah, so everything under that heading is for lunch or dinner. That's probably what I'm looking for. And if I scroll up some more, there is another heading, breakfast. Okay, so definitely on a website, look for headings that is big letters or titles to sort of get to where you want to go. The other good thing on this website, look at this. They have these headings as links at the very top. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. So that's convenient. So I know that I want dinner. So I'm just going to click directly on this link, lunch, dinner. And that brings me right to the kinds of recipes that I want. Lunch, dinner. Okay, so now I have to sort of scroll down to find a recipe, that looks interesting to click on. So, okay, see lots of chicken and soup. Turkey, yeah, more soup. I actually kind of feel like fish though. Oh, okay, trout with roasted vegetables and low bush cranberry relish. Oh, okay, that looks kind of complicated, but it looks like trout is a kind of fish and that's fish and it says fish here. Trout or white fish. Okay, well, I do feel like fish tonight, so maybe I'll click on this one first to see. So I'll click on this recipe, and then, okay, I don't have to read the whole recipe though. I'm just going to look at a few things. Oh my gosh, prep time 3 hours and then cook time 30 minutes. Oh my gosh, that's a long time. I mean, it serves 4. That's good because I'd have leftovers, but oh my goodness, and look at all these ingredients. Oh my gosh, I don't have any of that. I don't have many of those ingredients at home. I don't think this is a good recipe for me. So, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to click the back button and I'm going to go back to the lunch dinner section and try again. So, yeah, I'll just keep scrolling. That's the one I tried before. Didn't like that one. Yeah, okay. I can also look at the pictures, like, ooh, oh, that burger looks good. So yeah, you can tell a lot from the pictures. Oh, but it's not fish, that's beef. Okay, never mind. Oh, those quesadillas actually look good. I like that picture. Oh, but it's chicken. Okay, no. Never mind. Okay. Okay, that one's with tofu, no fish there. Okay, soups and salads. Not really interested in that. Okay, pasta. I don't have any pasta. Okay. Ah, fish. Okay, oh look, I like the sound of this. Easy peasy fish tacos. Okay, I like easy. I don't want to spend a lot of time on this. And look at that, the picture looks pretty good. Looks delicious and healthy, but also sort of easy. Okay, I'm going to click on this one. Okay, so here we are. Okay, I want to look at prep time and cook time because I don't want to spend that much time. I don't really have a lot of time today. Oh, look at that. Prep time, 15 minutes. Cook time, 15 minutes. Okay, that's perfect. Nice and fast. Servings for, that's okay. It's just my husband and me, but we'll have leftovers. We love leftovers. Okay, let me make sure that I have all the ingredients though. Okay, olive oil, lemon juice. Oh, and the fish. Yes, I've got white fish like that. Oh, good. And then the lettuce slaw, garlic powder, lettuce, cilantro, tortillas. Yeah. Okay, great. I have all of these ingredients at home already. So yeah, it's going to be nice and quick with easy ingredients and enough for 2 meals maybe for both of us. So yeah, I think I'm going to make the easy peasy fish tacos tonight.